What's going on, good people? Martina Britt Yelverton here at Q&A with the Brand Master. I'm just going to be on here for about 15 minutes to answer any questions that you guys may have. You've been seeing a lot of posts go up, and I want to ensure that I do take the time to answer any questions that you all may have really quickly. Okay, how difficult is it to find the mute button? Okay, that's hilarious. I can find the volume down button, but I cannot find, oh, top right. That's hilarious. I could not find that mute button just then. Okay, I am laughing at myself. So I'm playing around with a wet look today, and I'm sitting here looking online on Facebook, and I see I got a big old chunk of hair sticking out in the back, so hopefully I got that straight. So what's going on, good people? What's going on, millionaire out of Summerville, South Carolina, Mr. Vane Baker, VLJ Enterprises. So good to see you. Let's see if I can move this screen over. And you know, with my 47-year-old eyes, maybe I'll be able to see a little bit better if I move it over here. So, you can't see me. Can you see me now? Let me know if you can see me now. What do you mean you can't see me? I see me. I see me. Where you don't see me? I see me. So what's going on, Bryant? What's going on, Pauletta? Good to see you again on today. If you have any questions, you can pose those at any time here on the post, and I will be sure to get those answered. What's going on, Celeste? I have not seen you in forever. I am back in Knightdale, North Carolina. I know I had moved out to Youngsville for quite a bit of time. Can you see me now? Yeah, I'm rocking a wet look, and I'm not really caring for the extracurricular that's going on with this wet look. Feel like Michael Jackson right now, y'all. Good gracious. Feeling like Michael Jackson. What's going on, Miss Nicole S. Cooper? Coach Cooper. That's an honor, guys. If you don't know who she is, you need to go ahead up to the top of your Facebook profile and Google Nicole Cooper. And I'm telling you, get to following this powerhouse leader and get some great nuggets. She's doing so much right now. You guys really need to find out what's going on in her neck of the woods. What's going on, Bryant, Celeste, Dwayne, Mr. Dwayne Crawford? Are you in Fayetteville right now? Are you in our neck of the woods, or where have you been transitioned to? I'm opening the floor right now for some questions. I'm getting questions here and out of my inbox. And obviously I did not think this through, because I am living from the phone where I started seeing the questions come in. So this wasn't very well thought through. But what I want to do is answer some of the questions that are coming in with regards to vending, obviously, with regards to setting up for events, and all of that you guys may have going on, and see if I can get you guys some of the answers. Right now we are in a season, we are in an amazing season right now where we are gifting the mess out of people and helping them prosper during the season. I don't know if you guys have seen any of my other lives where I was really talking about a hiccup that I have noticed on television. When I get an opportunity to watch television, there's one small hiccup that I have noticed, and I made a post one night, I went live one night, and I started talking about that because it was really disturbing for me. I'm just going to be straight up. It was really disturbing for me because it's almost like the celebrities are really taking the place of a lot of average people day-to-day activities, which of course kind of smashes or steps on the head of average people out here in the world day to day, just trying to make a living. I'm seeing all of these celebrities getting endorsement deals, and they're doing regular people commercials, which means the regular person would instantly not be selected for an advertisement or a commercial slot, because obviously when you see a celebrity on TV, you purchase or you look into or you Google or you find or you follow or you friend or whatever you want to call it, that specific product based on whose face you see on it, versus seeing a regular everyday person. It weeds out, it limits their job availability. And that's like been really bothering me, because it's almost like what is it? It gives us, the average person, the short end of the stick. And so that's just one small niche that I've noticed is going kind of crazy right now in the world. Let's see, another small niche that I have noticed, and I've been seeing posts about this, and I previously was guilty myself, this whole self-checkout deal. Okay, so this whole self-checkout deal right now is where you almost want to take a stand, do a, what's his name, Colin Kilpatrick, take a knee to self-checkout and start back using the belt checkouts where you're actually speaking to the individual. Number one, us as marketers need to be doing this anyway, because we have value that we can give to people and we can show them how to keep more money in their checks. And so that's one of the opportunities that I use to talk to the person who's checking me out. And literally, because I frequent certain stores, I ensure that I almost always go to the same individual. I don't care if he or she has a line. I go to the same individual and I stand in that line and I help secure their job, versus the convenience of going to checkout, self-checkout. Okay, so that's something that you need to be thinking about with regards to the economy. Let's try to hang on to that job security for as long as we possibly can. I know you guys have seen so many store closings due to online, due to places like Amazon and all these great companies that are making convenience for us. You know, I know you see all that happening, but also be looking into the fact that it's almost like a double-edged sword. Yes, it's convenient, but it's taking jobs away, you know? So we're being capitalized on, and we're not being more of the individuals that are taking advantage of capitalism. And that's what we need to kind of adjust ourselves to. We need to be more in the place of the individual that is instituting capitalism and stop being capitalized on. I was on doing a live the other day, and I said, if it's good enough for you to consume, then it's good enough for you to invest in. So if a company is good enough for you to shop at, and it's good enough for you to consume and spend your money, then that company also needs to be good enough for you to invest your money and help your money grow. My quote that I put up was much better than what I just said, and I'll find it and I'll put it on here. But guys, seriously, you just need to take a kind of a step back, a deep breath, and pay attention to what's going on, because there are a lot of things going on right now that you need to be more aware of. What's going on, Philip? Good to see you. There's a lot going on right now that you need to pay better attention to. So at any point, you guys are available to pop into the comments questions that you may have for myself as the brand master. My name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I do realize I did not introduce myself. My name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I am a brand master. I'm a cash flow queen. I'm an income strategist, and I am the founder of the YouthLifestyleTraining.com platform, teaching people not only how to get branded, but I like to educate you on wealth strategies. And one of the wealth strategies that I educate on is how to hire your kids in business so that you can leave a legacy. Not only can you save money that way, but you can leave a legacy, because you cannot will your job to your kids. However, the income that you make for your business and your business itself, you can will that income to your kids. So that is who I am. That is what I do. If you have questions about that, definitely populate those questions. Outside of that, what I'm looking to do, welcome Vince, good to see you. What I'm looking to do is answer questions that you may have about vending. Now, right now, I have the financial success company Vending set up. I will set up 2 other companies that I've been a part of. And I can show you different ways to set up a vending. So right now I have this one up, and over the course of this week I'll come on and off and I'll talk about the products to set up, the banners, the table banners, let's see, the postcards, the business cards, the blitz cards, the display signs, and things like this that you can have on your table. Additionally, I will set up a separate vending from a previous company, and yes, it will have some of the stock that I had from that previous company, but the whole point is to show you different ways to set up your vending. So I was in a couple of previous companies, and I still have some of my table display items that I will be able to show you, and then I will obviously post those with regards to, or concurrently with some images that I can have to show you when it's time to get out and start accepting. What's going on, Cornelius? What's going on, Cindy? When it's time to get out and start accepting opportunities to vend for, especially with the holidays and the events coming up, you need to have your table be very appealing, have it be nice and clean and spacious, and then you need to have walk-away material. You need to have a sign-up sheet on the table, and then you also need to have information that a person could possibly enter a raffle, have something free to give away as well. So I'm looking to see if I have any questions. What's going on, Brandon? I'm looking to see if I have any questions. I'm very well, thank you, Bryant, for asking. Excited, excited about everything that we're doing, excited about everything that I'm available to give to the people to help them in their own niche. It doesn't just have to be this company, it can be your own niche. My whole point and purpose is to help people brand you as the authority in your niche, as the liaison between yourself as the associate and the company that you actually get your products and services from. So that is my goal and that is my purpose. Let's see, some of the questions that come to me are why you should brand you. One of the reasons you should brand you is what I just said. You are the liaison. You are the associate for that company. And people do business with other people, not just with companies. You know, they do business with people they like, they know, and they trust. So if they see you and they see your face, if you're having a professional appeal to people, then they're looking and they like it, right? Then they become engaged with you. They're liking your post. They're commenting on your post. They're seeing you out and about, and they become engaged with you so that they can get to know you. However, virtually as it is, they get to see you, right? And they get to know you, right? And once they see that you have a professional stature, they actually like that. They get to know you. They engage with you and they know you. And then they feel like they can trust you, which of course will allow them to be open and feel open to what it is that you have to say, especially if you're giving value, right? You're giving them free things. You're helping them along the way. You're giving them something that is an answer to a question that they have. So that's one of the main reasons why you should brand you, because companies go out of business all the time. They go out of business all the time. So if you have the ability to seriously look inside you and invest in yourself and invest in you and become the liaison between yourself and that company, that's a very nice niche spot to be in to be able to help people, right? So you should brand you because you are the face of whatever it is that you're doing. And like I say, people do business with people they like, they know, and they trust. And they also do business with other people, not necessarily just companies. The company is your supporting documentation, okay? So that's another reason why you should brand you. Another reason why you should brand you is because a lot of network companies, network marketing companies, MLM companies, they have the same product or service. What makes you different? And that is what you need to find out. What about you makes you different so that the people can understand why they should partner more so with you? Okay, so I opened up the floor at this time just to see if anybody had any questions. We've been on for a few minutes here. I'm not seeing any questions come in, but one of the main questions that people ask me all the time is, why should I brand myself? And so I hope I've been able to answer that question and help you along with, any clarity that you may have in this arena. Go ahead if you are available to, if you'd like to. I would really love for you to follow me here on my profile. You can have a look at one of my business pages, Family First Designs. I'm currently checked in and working with that business right now. And this Saturday, I'm offering the opportunity for people to get information, right? It's called the 30-day brand, how to build a simplified and profitable brand. The information will be emailed to you if you are not familiar with that. But if you go to 30day.brandsecretsrevealed.com, 30day.brandsecretsrevealed.com, you're available to opt in. Let me type that in for you. 30day.brandsecretsrevealed.com and get registered for that event. It's going to be held locally here, depending on how the registrations continue to come in. I will make the decision as to whether or not I will open that up to being an online possibility. I'm really looking to see what the balance of the registrations look like. It looks like I typed something in. Yep, I forgot the dot in front of com. Let me edit that so that it could populate properly. And then once it adjusts, then you should see the pop-up of the banner and everything, showing you where you can get more information about that. So it will open up an Eventbrite page that will give you a lot more information about it this weekend. It's 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And like I said, I'm considering doing an online presentation of that as well. I'm looking to see how the continued registrations come in, and it looks like there is more physical registration than any of the online registration. So as long as it remains physical, then we won't go live. But you are available to do that. Get registered. Let me know how you're feeling about what it is that you're looking to hear, what you need to know, what areas you're struggling in, and then I will ensure that that information is coupled or folded into the presentation for this weekend. So that's my time for today. I really just wanted to come in and answer some questions if questions came in, give you guys a simplified way to understand branding and why you should brand you. And then if you want to continue to populate questions into the comments for afterwards, I'll be more than excited to go in and populate answers and responses. So I hope to talk to you guys again real soon. My name is Martina Britt Yelverton, brand master, income strategist, and founder of the Youth Lifestyle Training Platform. Again, my job is to educate, is to brand you, educate you, and help you leave a legacy. I hope to talk to you guys soon.